Just like me, they want to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they want to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So this ring on is in your head, pour a star in your eyes, so blue. That is why all the girls in town follow you all around. Just like me, they want to be close to you. Together and decided to create a dream come true. So this ring on is in your head, call the star in your eyes, so blue. That is why all the girls in town follow you all around. Just like me, want to be close to you. Just like me, want to be close to you.
Pwede naman tayo mag-ganun. Ganon yung may onion rin sa may brand, di ba?
Thank you.
Yun na lang. Galing. Hindi naman dito to. Pinapalaki na yung host eh. Mamaya pag naubos natin ito. Parang di alam doon sa burger kung parang nabakay, may ganun. Mamaya siya, yung ano mo dyan, okay raw.
Special set tonight. Maraming salamat for joining us. Ngayong araw ang 28 years anniversary na Cowboy Reel. So would like to thank everybody for joining us here tonight. And syempre yung mga inaabangan niyo po ang AGs, mamaya makakasama natin yan. Mocha Girls, makakasama natin. Makakasama din natin yung mga pioneer bands ng Cowboy Reel like Jason X. We have Mr. Philip Arabic and High Caliber. Makakasama din po natin ang Cool Jacks. Yan, kasama natin yan. Of course, Quadra. Kasama din natin. Sino ba? Ano? Yung mga pinay na mo.
Kasi may mga banda
At saka yan po yung mga request. Ipadala niyo po yan sa amin. Kasama din natin ngayong gabi ang Pioneer Adhesive. Yan. Incorporated. Kasama din, of course, ang Pioneer Pro Tibay. Diba? Mga bago mga partner ng Cowboy Reel. Mamaya makakasama nyo yan. Yung mga nagkakaroon ng players natin sa likod. Yan. Mamaya makikita nyo lahat yan. Ha? So, ayan po ang bagong part, makakasama ng Cowboy Reel. Pioneer. Sige, pagkakapa naghihintay po kami ng mga request habang naghihintay tayo ng ibang guests. So, lahat sa team in this summer, let's give you another love song. I'd rather live one love while I still believe the meaning of the world.
Parang siyuhan.
I'll keep my dreams and just pretend that you and
Yun
I
yung mga napapansin ko sa mga kumamanta sa bar. Dulo ilalaki nila. Ipapatagal na ilalaki.
Somebody's heart gets wrong when usually it's mine. I don't want to take the chance to be again. You and I will say goodbye. So if you wait to find it on, oh baby, carry on. You see I still believe it's destiny.
Kasi ito nga. Ito lang tayo, tas yun. Diba? Pag naubusan natin, hindi tayo. Ayan na,
Sometimes I see the lost down the line.
Kaya ko, Charles.
Somebody's heart is broken, usually it's not. I don't want to take the chance to be with you and I can say goodbye. So if you wait,
Ako na yung
oh baby, carry on. You see, I need another blessing. I still believe it's destiny. I still believe it's destiny.
Ganon, palaki. Hindi paliit ng malaki. Thanks so much. Angela. Para hindi ka mahirapan mag-edit.
Alright, is there some the flowers you gave me are just about to die. Bring back what could have been. Makes me want to fly. The sweet words you whispered didn't mean a thing. I guess the sun is open. As we begin to sing, could have been so beautiful. Could have been so right. Could have been my lover and day of mine. Could have been so beautiful. Could have been so right.